We are live, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back. Jomo, how can it be that Bitcoin is below 100K? But the Moon Boys told us it will never drop below 100K, and they told us it's going to 250. And the US shutdown is now, they opened the government, so crypto will soar. And they also told us the rotation from gold to Bitcoin is going to happen. What is all this? How can it be, Joe? How can Bitcoin go down? I don't understand. How can it be?
Man, I don't know how it can go down. Everyone was. What's up, everybody? Welcome back to our show, the Crypto Mindset Show. We'll try to give you the clear alpha, show you the way. Look, Sam, to be honest, man, look, this is why. This is why I'm just going to show it to you instead of me saying. I'm just going to show this is the reason, man. I mean, it's right. It's right in front of the eyes of everyone. When someone just tells you just to plain simply, you know, um, hodl, then I guess that's what it is. Michael Saylor is just saying huddle, and you see he's actually showing a picture of a ship, and he's like portraying himself as a hero, man, over here, man. Man, this is too much. This dude, man. It's funny, and it's this dude is funny. I don't even know what to say, man. The ship is sinking, and he's like, huddle. I don't. It's so funny, man. Anyways, the market is going down, man. And the thing is, it's not only the sailor thing that makes me funny. The day yesterday was the day that the United States government, signed the bill that they're going to start working back again, right? So the shutdown is over. What happens to the price of everything? CM.
That was a sell the news. I told
That
the
was
members, man. I told the members, this is a potentially sell the news event. Okay, the markets were waiting for for just something to trigger, and boom, that's what happened. Bull market tops on good news, and bear market bottoms on bearish news. That's what happened, and people don't understand. They're consistently eating this nonsense on YouTube and on X, and lies, and now they're gonna get wrecked, and now they're gonna see all these people telling them to hodl, like you showed Sailor and all these clowns, and now I saw this guy need to, this guy, I gotta show you this guy, man. This guy is insane. He need to be in prison. This guy, the Eric Trump,
Oh
is the
yeah, he needs to be in prison for sure, man, for
the
sure.
biggest clown on planet Earth. I don't know why people are listening to this clown. He says
No idea.
Bitcoin, gold to Bitcoin rotation is imminent. The ratio will disproportionately shift to Bitcoin. Man, all I have to say for Mr. Eric Trump is go F yourself, man. The bears are gonna F you with the big bananas, Mr. Trump. And you know what? He's probably dumping on this,
On
He's probably
everyone,
dumping.
man. On everyone,
You
man.
know, he's a con artist. He's a crook. He's a crook. He actually dumped on everybody on the. I think he was taking a short on the flash crash, on the last flash crash we had on
Oh,
crypto.
it's his brother, the Baron one, the
Oh,
younger one. That's what they say. All the family, man. It's stupid, man.
baboons, man, family of baboons. Except of the Trump, the real Trump that I like. He's still kinda, but I like him. The other two clowns, man, like what?
For
What?
some reason,
Who?
I don't hear you anymore.
Hey,
I lost you. For some reason, I don't hear you.
it's on your behalf. It's not mine.
It's on
We're
my
cool,
it's on
man.
my side, all right. So
We're
now I
cool,
hear
man.
you.
We're
Okay.
cool, man.
But look, CM, it's not only the. I mean, they're doing their job, right? They need to make money. That's what they're here for. They're trying to make money, and they don't care about all the other bozos, man. They are here to make money. And look, this is another one of your favorites, CM. Here's one of your main favorites, Alex Becker. Yesterday he said, "Never below 100K ever again. Hope you bought the dip, you dumb slut." And today I think he's going on tilt, this dude, man. Sell me all the ETH you have at 3,100 and fuck off. I think this isn't going back to all-time high in the future. I don't know what he's going like baloney, man. This dude, man. So when people are getting crazy, man, that's when price gets crazy also. I mean, look, CM, it is what it is. We've been saying here for quite some time now that there's a high degree of probability that price is going to go down rather than up because of so many things we've been saying, so many like real clues, not so many people try to say, oh, fundamentally, blah, blah, blah. Oh, technically, blah. No, it's all sort of things together. We were saying about the fake outs, the good news met with buy price action, the bad news met with, very bad price action, all the things that we've been saying multiple times anyways. So, and it's happening right now. And still, by the way, people, CM, people are calling this just another dip. And by the way, CM, we went deep below, the 50-week moving average, right now for
Yeah.
for the first time in some time. Let's just show the chart so people can see it. So look at this right now. I don't have the 50 over here. Oh, I need to put the 50 over here. So people, you're gonna see that the 50-week moving average was just penetrated, um like a mofo, man, like really, for real, for real, for real. And not only that, it was penetrated last week, CM. Okay, because and this is the difference, because it did penetrate in the past. Okay, so we had some penetration here, then penetrated a little bit here, then we had a penetration here, but never so far did we had a type of penetration that you had a 1 week penetration and then a continuation. Okay, so the first one closed above, so people, oh, the 50-week moving average saved us, but we continued this week. This did not happen this cycle so far. And I hope people can see actually the moving average. I think it's a bit, I
They
think the
see it, they
color,
see it. But
this is
the we need to wait for the signal to print in the end of the week. We don't want to talk about the 50-week. So at the moment,
no, no,
no.
I'm talking about something else, Sam. The thing is, no, of course it can end higher, okay? But this is the first time that is 2 weeks in a row, okay? 1 week is actually penetrating lower than the other one, okay? Can
Yeah.
it change? Of course. I'm not trying to call in that we're in the bear market, whatever. This is not the type of confirmation that we're looking for a true calling of a bear market, but it is a change of character. That's what I'm
Oh yeah.
trying to say over here. It's a
Oh yeah.
change
Oh
of
yeah.
character. And it only adds up to the clues, man. What did you want to say?
Ponzi says Fonzie.
Fonzie.
Let's call him Ponzi says bull market never happened. For uneducated people, it never happened. For people that know how to trade, it was an amazing bull market. We had a wonderful trades. 2023 was amazing. 2024, the first half was amazing, and the latest part of 2024, 2025 was amazing. Short in the beginning, and then later it was amazing as well. You don't know what you're doing. That's why you say bull market never happened. Some people just don't know how to play the game, and they pay for it with no gains, and they actually
Well,
lose everything.
wait a minute, CM. What do you mean? What do you mean? What is all this? What is all this? I don't understand how people can say that a bull market didn't happen. What is all this? This is higher highs, higher lows. This is the most classical type of bull market that you've ever gotten. It's just classic. It's as classic as it gets. Ponzi. What are you talking about? What you're saying here over here, CM, and what he's saying is he couldn't have made ROIs because, as you said, he doesn't know what he's doing, and so does most people. So he's just saying, oh, bull market wasn't really around. Yes, it was around. I don't,
Delusional, man.
of course.
What's up, man? Hello. Yeah, you all know how it could go down, lol. Yeah, it can go down, man. It's amazing to see. It's a miracle that Bitcoin's going down. Wow, it's amazing. Time to short. Francisco is saying trying to short. Lava, go take your lava and shove it. You know where, man. Uh, so we have a CME gap at 92K.
Oh,
Okie dokie. Okie dokie.
These CME gaps, man, all the time, as if it's something that we care about. We don't care about the CME gaps, ladies. It's just we talk about every now and then. It's not really a thing. Not really
going
a
down
thing.
to 75K. Maybe most, in my opinion, going down to 15K. But on the next 12 months, 15K Bitcoin is coming, man. It's inevitable, my opinion. 15 to 30K. Woohoo, I can hear him. Okay. You see, he can hear me. Jomo, you need to fix
Oh,
your phone, man. Your gear is rubbish. Sir, with BTC now at 95K, do you think bear cycle has started? Me, I think so. Yeah, I really think so that Bitcoin is now turning into a bear market by breaking below the 50-week. Again, it's not confirmed yet. Need to wait for the close, but still, you have a lower high. I'll show you my chart. You have a series of lower lows and lower highs here. Okay, look at this. You have a series of lower highs, lower low, lower highs, lower low, lower highs, lower low. It lost the 100K. If it cannot bounce above the 100K, in my opinion, it will trigger a bear market. You have it all over, all over the charts. You have the Nasdaq potentially breaking down here. Okay, if it continue dumping, Bitcoin is cooked. You have the USDT dominance making a significant move. Looks like a bottom forming here, and this chart, if it goes up, it's the end of it. Just like it did here, you have a bottom here of USDT dominance. That was the Bitcoin bear right here, man. It started to advance here. That was the bear. Maybe this is the bear. And also, you have MSTR calling for a bear market already. MSTR getting wrecked. MSTR, look, I'll show you the log scale so you will see what happened here last cycle. Look at that. Bam. Double top. A nice double top like that. Look at it. Identical. Double top. Bam. Broke the neckline. Triggered a bear. Broke the neckline back here in January 2022. Triggered a bear. Broke the neckline now in November 2025. I believe triggered a bear. Look at Coinbase. Coinbase chart. Look at that. That was the bear. You had a high and a lower high. That was the bear market here, November 2021 on a lower high. High, lower high. Woohoo! Double top here. Woohoo! Weekly chart. Not the joke. That's all my weekly indicators. All my weekly indicators, my long-term indicators, everything I'm watching, my charts that connected to crypto telling me bear is coming. Bear is coming. Bear is imminent. And bear could be already started in October. I've been calling for the top for the last, I don't know how many videos I made on YouTube, man. Calling for the top in October for Bitcoin. I think the top is in, man. That's what I think. I might be wrong. Even if I'm wrong, I don't give an F. All I care is about making profits from the market. You want to make profit from the market? Do yourself a favor. Stop everything. Join our VIP now. You're going to lose everything. If you're not going to join our VIP, you're going to lose everything you have. 100%. I'm telling you, 100%. Me, in my first bear market in 2018, I didn't join any service, trading service. I lost everything. Why? Because I was dummy, hodl, baby, moon boy, baboon. That was me in 2018. I lost all my money. All of it. Poof. Don't do that. Don't do that to yourself. Do not hodl rubbish coins into a crypto bear market. You're going to lose everything you have. Now, if you're watching and you have 50K, 100K, 200K, big amount of liquidity in crypto coins, you're holding a portfolio, do yourself a favor, join Elite VIP now. Book a call with me and Jomo now. We will save your neck from a disaster. Okay? We're going to save your neck from disaster. And not only that, we're going to make lemonade out of the lemons. We're going to make you profitable in time that people are going to go to work in McDonald's and start living in tents they buy on Decathlon. Right. Yes. People are going.
it's true. It's true. Man, look, we know our track record because we've been working with all these elite VIPs for some time and we saved their neck. By the way, most people well, at least the ones that listen us from the get-go, they saved anywhere between a 50 and an 80% drawdown, depends on which time they kind of joined the elite VIP, because we told them what their portfolio looks like, and that was like shit. So we told them better start fresh, clean slate, sell everything. So only that already saved them from a haircut of between 50 to 80%. And then not only did we tell them what they should sell and not hodl, what they should do, which is trade with us. Okay, probably we have some elite VIPs here watching us, in the background. They can attest for themselves, and you can actually go and scan the QR code, go to our website, and you can see the testimonials over there by people that are regular VIPs and elite VIPs, and you can see what they're saying for yourself. Okay, A, we save you, and B, we teach you and show you the way how to do things on a better way. And you know what I love that you said, CM. People always, they try to confront us, ask us questions about what do we feel. Is it bear market? Is it bull market? Is it the end? Is it the end? Whatever. And you like more than I do to give your own opinion. But what I like more is how you always phrase about, even if I'm wrong, you say, even if I'm wrong, let's say for some miraculous reason, things change, okay? And all of a sudden we'll get a kind of a reversal, which always can happen. We don't know the future. Anything can happen, guys. You need to understand, CM and I, we are not, magicians, right? We're just professional traders, okay? So we understand that anything can happen, and we can't control anything over the future. But we do know one thing, that it doesn't matter. CM said it best. We don't give an F of what happens exactly, because we are not trying to test our intellectual, smarts. We're trying to make the most ROI at any given moment from the market. That is it. That is what we're trying to optimize for. Nothing more, nothing less. And if the market for months now is telling us that it wants to puke to the downside, and we have an opportunity to go short, bam, we will go short with the market. Just like now, CM, shared a bunch of shorts in the membership. I shared a short in the membership. Members are short. We are short the market. But also, if things reverse, do you think we care? Do you think that we care if it reverses and all of a sudden it goes to $200,000? We don't care, okay? We will go with it again. Now, we just don't think that that's in the books for this cycle, because as CM said, and I always say, this is one of the main things, bull markets, they top when everything sounds amazing. And everyone always say, oh, rate cuts are here. This is whenever I hear this, I hate it. We are just start. It was, well, now no one is saying it, but like a few weeks ago, we're just about to start the bull market. Just like Fonzie in the beginning, the bull market we didn't have a bull market, Fonzie said. So he was one of those people that said, "Oh, we're gonna get the best. We're gonna go about to start the bull market in just 1 second," where it was actually the end of the bull market, which people don't really appreciate and understand it. So whenever I heard that, that gave me even more conviction. Okay, it's because, and this happens over and over again, CM. Uneducated people about the markets, they can be educated about something else. Okay, they can be extremely smart people, extremely successful people. We have clients that have their own companies. They work as CEOs in other companies. They are very successful individuals, but they can't crack the market. Okay, because they don't have that smarts, they don't have that experience. Okay, so, and people get this wrong over and over and over again. Mr. Future Dictator, CM, the future dictator, what is he saying?
Is the Ali G. Hodlers love whoever tells them they are gonna be rich. Confirmation bias. Yeah,
For
man.
sure.
Hodlers, hodlers are cooked. We're not talking about hodlers. Like hodlers, they don't have brains, man. They don't have brains. They're just cooked. Remember to take profits, so most of projects will never see their rise again. Oh yeah, absolutely, absolutely. Projects. You know what's funny? They call them projects. Man,
Projects, yeah.
call them Ponzi's. They are all
Ponzi's.
Ponzi's. Bunch of toilet paper all together. They come up with a nice branding. Oh, the tech, the project, the blockchain, blah blah blah. They sell it to the masses. They're doing an IPO or ICO or IDO. Morons buying them. They get hype. They pumped. They list it on exchanges. They get hype. But then they top and boom, Ponzi. They drop 99% and never come back. All of them are Ponzi's, man.
For sure. And man, the time, if you're a hodler, because it sounds like this El Bapi, whatever, is like a hodler type, the time to take profits was weeks ago, man, and months ago, not now, right? So, man, you're
Mo-
already
most
late.
most coins, the most coins topped
A
out
year
on
ago,
March
March
2024.
2024. Yeah.
Like people are completely. I think most people, their head is in their bums. Somewhere in their bum. It's not here, man. Most people these days, their head is down below, man. They sitting on it. They just sitting on their head. Unbelievable, man. What else do we have here? Markets never bottom on a Monday or Friday. Okie dokie. Guys,
Wait, you missed this dude, Mr. Palm Springs. He's saying that without an altcoin season, crypto is a Ponzi. Only swing trading is good. Well, that's what we've been saying all these years and time, Mr. Palm Springs. We've been saying this over and over again for people to understand. People think that the hodling of 2017 is still around. It's not around. That's why, as you said, swing trading is what we do, CM and that's the best thing to do because you can swing on the way up, you can swing on the way down, you can have a swing of a day, a swing of 2 weeks. Doesn't matter. You just compound the ROIs. That's what you want to be doing in the markets, right, CM?
yeah, man. Wow. Man, looks like it could be amazing gap downs on the stock market, on the open. Gonna be interesting to
Oh
see.
yeah, I'm short, and I took a short on the SQQQ. So it's a triple short on the Nasdaq. I took.
Yeah, man, it's cooked, man. This is absolute dog shit. It's the AI bubble, man. It's gonna pop. AI bubble gonna pop, man.
Uh, I think it's a Trump bubble. I call it. I don't think it's the AI bubble. I think it's a Trump bubble because I think Trump moved the markets. Everything was around Trump and Trump being lenient for crypto and Trump being lenient for stocks because he's going to pump stocks, he's going to print money and everything. And I think that's actually exploding. I don't think the AI bubble is exploding just yet. Or I think the Trump bubble is exploding, man. But that's what I'm thinking. Mr. Palm Springs is saying that for 5% of investors to make money, 95 have to lose. I don't know where did you get exactly these numbers, man. But the reality is that you're not wrong in the sense that 95% of people lose, consistently over time, and roughly 5% actually make money. But it's over time. It's not like or at every single moment. You can have in one single moment, 90% of people making money if the trend is up, and 90% of people losing money together because the trend is down and they're just losing. Okay, so your math is somewhat is not right, your math, but the idea is correct. Most people just lose in the markets over time because they treat it like a gambling effort. They think they need to bet on something, and we all know how betting in a casino ends, yeah, right? Oh yeah, and this is it's a good pivot to say that we are going to teach you how to not only survive but thrive in a bear market. Yeah, I know it's surprising, but you can actually thrive in a bear market, and it doesn't matter if bear market started now or it will start in 2 months from now. It always comes, and it always comes over and over again. Just imagine having a skill set where you can actually capitalize in a bear market. No need to whine about prices going down, celebrating price going down. Imagine you're celebrating because it's actually giving you ROIs. So, what we created is a bear market boot camp. It's going to happen on October 26th, 9 a.m. EST. Okay. We're going to
November.
teach you in November, sorry, November, 26th of November and 9 a.m. EST. Come, we're going to teach you. It's going to be 3 hours. 2 hours of theoretical, 1 hour of live trading. CM and I are going to share our, watch list, focus list. We're going to share with you trades that we're about to take so you can actually have a head start. All the list of bangers we're going to share with you. And it doesn't matter if it's a short or long, trades, everything. We're going to share with you everything. And you're going to get out of it smarter without the whining about prices going down, but actually celebrating it. So scan the QR code and CM. I think we have here a coupon code I made last time for people. Yeah, 25% off. We are pampering our people that come to our lives. It's a coupon code for 25% off. Sorry, Bear Live. That's it. Scan the QR code. Go to the website on the checkout. Do the Bear Live coupon code BEARLIVE. 25% off if you want. What else, CM?
Yeah, man. All these clowns, man. uh, they just look on markets as a way to make money when it's going up. You know, that's why they call themselves investors. You know, they buy low and sell high. Most of them getting wrecked. Yeah, but anyway, that's stupid. That's stupid. Most people are dead stupid, like a wood. You know, because they do not short. Okay, why not? Bitcoin gonna collapse in the next probably 12 months 80 to 90%. If you look on history, that's what happened. Okay, that's what happened. Every 3 years, you have 3 years going up. 1 year, Bitcoin collapse. Why not short it? Short the rubbish orange coin. It's gonna go down. You're gonna print. Okay, you can short ETH. You can short meme coins. You can short everything. You can have amazing trades. Shorts. We believe the bear market will be much more uh, profitable than even the last year or the 2024, you know, because the bear market is going to be violent move to the downside. You can get major crashes. Altcoin can crash 80-90% in couple of days or couple of weeks. That's amazing. You take a big short, you know, you put 30, 40, 50, 100K on a short, you know, on few shorts, your account going up 50% in a month or so or a couple of weeks. That's amazing. You know, people just don't get it. You know, they're looking on, oh, I want to do 100x, I want to do a 20x, I want to do a 5,000x on my mom's
Yeah,
money
exactly.
that I got my mommy's money for Christmas, $5, and I bought Crypto John garbage coins, and I want to make my $500 $5 million. Man, it's not gonna happen. Wake the F up. Who are you? Who do you think you are? Who do you think you are? I'm talking to all the baby boys that trade with their pocket money of their mommy. Who do you think you are? Go home, man. Quit crypto. We're not talking to these people. We're talking to people like me, you, 30-year-old plus, 25-year-old that looking to be a professional traders for life and investors. People that looking to print. Doesn't matter. Bitcoin go up or down. They want to do print. You know, participate in the market, understand the market, and thrive in the market. You know, that's a journey. Join the boot camp. Get yourself. The boot camp will change your life. Really, very, very good boot camp.
Also, we're actually talking to anyone that actually got burned by other YouTubers, for example, or by just hoping and holding without trying to understand that there's a skill set. And look, this dude, for example, oh, he's saying Crypto John is biggest scammer for sure, for sure. But look, see, and before we actually talk about this other dude is actually attacking us. He's saying you leverage traders kill the market. You leverage traders. He's talking about us, me and you. You know what's funny, Mr. Josh Moran, Maron, Mr. We don't use leverage. We don't use leverage. You know what's funny? We actually tell everyone not to use leverage while they're trading because crypto is already a leveraged asset. So Bozo, this is your first time here. Instead of insulting people because and being so salt because you have no idea what you're doing and you're losing right now money, which is okay. I lost money in my beginnings also. Open your eyes, open your ears, and learn from people that are trying to teach you. That's all you need to be doing, Mr. Roger. What's up? Shout out to Roger. What is Roger saying? If you are that good as you claim, why don't you trade on Hyperliquid so everybody
Wait,
can
wait.
actually
I'm,
see your
I'm sharing
ROI?
I'm sharing the ZEBEC chart. Wait a second. We talk about the Moran one
Oh,
second.
you put the Roger one.
All right, I put it. Okay. Talk about Zbcn. Okay, look. This guy wanna see Zbcn. Look, man, Zbcn is cooked, man. Okay, it's cooked. We told you it is cooked. You get a series of lower highs. It failed to break out here. Broke support, lost support, bearish retest. I actually wanted to short it, but I didn't. I might short it later. But it's not looking good. Below its moving averages, getting a death cross now. Yeah, you can get bounces, but again, this is not looking good. ZEBEC is cooked, my friend. Yeah, now you can talk with your boyfriend, Roger.
No, this is actually kind of disappointing from Roger because he's been following us for I don't know 2 years right now, and we've been and you saw us being consistently right in our predictions, and now you're kind of coming to me saying about Hyperliquid. First of all, you know that we don't trade on dexes. We don't. Okay, we trade on centralized exchanges where we know that our money, at least from our perspective, we believe that the counterparty risk is much higher on dexes. That's what we believe. Okay, so we don't trade on dexes, and that's one thing. Second of all, if you want to see how we trade and our results, only the one thing you can do is come join the membership. You have all the trades on the membership. Okay, so people that want to come and see us trading, where we actually share the alpha, they can actually show their interest by investing instead of coming blame people, whatever, Roger. So, Roger, to be honest, I'm quite disappointed from you, because you know how well we have been trading in the past couple of years since you've been following us, and right now you became what's the word, CM, where someone is kind of picky. You're too salty. You're so salty that your thing is not working, so you're trying to pick holes on other people. Just, there's a word for it, where
He's a
someone
loser, man. He's
is
a
clinging.
perpetual loser, man.
Well, that's another word.
Don't
That's
even
another
don't
word for
even look
sure.
on his nonsense, man. All he talk is bunch of losing words, man. Stop
Very
you're
disappointing.
gonna lose all. He's a perpetual loser, man. Even when he go to the bank to take out cash, the cashier tell him, "Fuck off, loser. Go home. Go home." He goes to buy McDonald's. The guy on the McDonald hat with the pimple tell him, "F you. You're not gonna get the McDonald's here. F you, Roger. You're a loser. Go home, Roger." Roger. Roger is the name of a dog. I had a friend back in the days. His name was Roger, man. Even the dog was a loser. You know what I mean? Anyway, man. The golden age of crypto was in the beginning, holding into a currency in the long term results in losses. Yeah. Yeah, here you go. Roger probably lost everything. Man, Roger lost everything. His wife dumped him because he was holding Kaspa. His wife dumped him. He lost all his hair. He is an impotent, 100%. He sent me the lab results. He has no testosterone in his body. Nothing. Nothing. All the testosterone has left the building into his wife. His kids left him. His dogs left him.
His dog dumped him also.
He dog dumped him. Even his couch start walking and left the room, man.
The
This guy
couch.
is a perpetual hodler, loser, Kaspa Army Maxi. We wish you a Merry Christmas, Roger. You're cooked.
But, by the way, by the end of the year, I'm planning something. I have a secret no one knows about, only UCM, and I'm planning something very, very interesting. So, Roger, you're gonna see by year's end something that you never saw before.
Baboon,
You're gonna eat your shoes. That's for sure.
Baboon Roger.
Unfortunately, man. Unfortunately, they don't look, man. Man, I was actually rooting for Roger. I was trying to help him, get out of his. I don't know. I took him as a project, but this is very disappointing, man.
Bro, I told you from day one,
You
some
did. You did.
people are just baboons with nothing in it. There is nothing here. You cannot talk to a wall. This guy is a wall, okay? He's a wall. Look at it. Poor Rogers. How's ya missus and my kids? I respect you guys and what you do because you guys are good at this game. The fact of the matter is the day traders who long and short crypto make it easy for the manipulators to control the market. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. It is, he talked about the guy that talked about the leverage, Jomo, he's not talking about us, I think. He talked about people that take 20x, 100x leverages and they actually ruin the crypto market. And which is true because you get amazing liquidation moves to create this kind of to wipe out all the leverage people. It have some merit to it, but me and you are not really following this
Look,
nonsense.
I just, why I did like this? Because I actually wrote a tweet about this today. Okay. I actually wrote a tweet about this today. And by the way, guys, if you're not following me on Twitter, so what you need to go is to go follow me on No Edge No Trade, and go follow the CM, Crypto Mindset 04 on Twitter, on X also. And I just wrote this today, CM. I've been seeing a lot of talks about market manipulation, because I've been seeing all over. People are like, oh, market manipulated, Bitcoin's manipulated, blah, blah, blah. All I can say is, if you say it, you're a loser. Okay? The market does what the market does. That's it. Nothing more to it. Nothing more. That's my opinion, man. It's our job as investors and traders to figure out what is the best action for us to take. Can you capitalize on a move, or can we only protect ourselves now? Okay, stop blaming external forces and admit you don't get it. I don't get it most of the time. That's why I sit in cash. But when I get it, I aggressively bet on it. Okay, that's what I wrote. I wrote it today. Okay, because and maybe I'm not understanding what this dude is trying to say over here, Sam. We know we can only read and try to figure this out. But I just hate people saying manipulation. I don't like it, because when people say manipulation, I think it's blaming something on an external force, and then they don't take the blame inside to understand that they could have done something better, or they can learn something now to prevent something or to capitalize on something in the future, because they don't understand it now doesn't mean they can't understand it later. That's my belief, Sam. That's what I think. And if people want to come and join what we do, CM, what do you think? Should we allow them to come to the VIP membership?
Yeah, man. Yeah, guys, that's the VIP. Really, thank you guys for watching. Smash the like. We're gonna keep you posted in the bear. So give us a like, do us a favor, like the video, leave comments, subscribe, because this YouTube channel will keep you posted for life. And if you want to come and trade with us, join our VIP link below. Thank you guys for watching. Have a great day. Cheers.